Viewers, as the suspense over who the next Maharashtra Chief Minister will be continues. The Mahayuti leaders arrived in the national capital for a key meet with Union Home Minister Amit Shah and BJP President JP Nadda. The meeting was also attended by Sunil Tatkare. A lot of fast-paced developments took place last night. Watch this report for all the details.
5 days since the Maharashtra election results, but the suspense over the Chief Minister's chair continues. While the Mahayuti swept the elections, the deadlock over who the Chief Minister will be is yet to end. The Mahayuti secured 230 seats out of the 288 seats in the assembly, with the BJP securing the highest, 132 seats, followed by Shiv Sena that bagged 57 and NCP that got 41 seats. The alliance also bagged 21 out of 29 SC seats and 21 out of 24 ST seats in the assembly. Thursday night, Mahayuti leaders arrived in the national capital for an all-important meeting. Ahead of the key meet, Eknath Shinde said that there will be no obstacle on the decision over CM.
कल आदरणीय प्रधानमंत्री जी से भी बात की, उनको भी कहा सरकार बनाने में हमारी तरफ से कोई अड़चन नहीं है, आप निर्णय ले लो, जैसे आपके भारतीय जनता पार्टी को आपका निर्णय अंतिम रहता है.
As per sources, the government formation was to be finalized in this key Mahayuti meet. It is speculated that Eknath Shinde would likely be the Deputy Chief Minister. And as per an inside scoop, Devendra Fadnavis is likely to retain the Home Department, while Shinde the Urban Development Department and Ajit Pawar the Ministry of Finance. BJP President and Union Minister JP Nadda also arrived at Home Minister Amit Shah's residence. Ahead of the meet, Devendra Fadnavis reached Sunil Tatkare's house. He also met Ajit Pawar. Before the key meet, Maharashtra BJP co-in-charge Ashwini Vaishnav had met with Prime Minister Modi.
A big breaking news coming in this morning with regards to the Maharashtra Chief Minister, the BJP Legislative Party leader to be announced in the next 2 days. Top sources say that Ajit Pawar will continue as the Deputy CM along with Finance Ministry with the NCP. Now, Home and Revenue Department is likely to be with BJP and Urban Development and PWD Ministries with the Shiv Sena. A big breaking news coming in on the Maha CM front. Some developments with the BJP Legislative Party likely to be announced in the next 2 days. In fact, we learned that Ajit Pawar will continue as the Deputy CM. Viewers, I'd like to bring in my colleague Sandeep, who's joining us live from Mumbai. Sandeep, take us through what's happening on what's the latest development really, as we've learned that Ajit Pawar will continue to be the Deputy CM, and any probables with the next CM of Maharashtra really? What's happening there?
See, things are getting a bit clear now as Ajit Pawar, Devendra Fadnavis and Eknath Shinde meet Amit Shah out there in the national capital. And we are just waiting for the final announcement by Bharatiya Janata Party top brass regarding the Chief Minister phase. As far as the Chief Minister phase is concerned, it is very much clear that Devendra Fadnavis will be in fact taking that track. But when will the Bharatiya Janata Party announce his name? That is something that we have to wait and watch out for. But yes, there is not just the Chief Minister post, but also rest of the cabinet berths that needs to be discussed. And for the same reason, yesterday, Amit Shah took a meeting with all the alliance partners, including Ajit Pawar, Eknath Shinde and Devendra Fadnavis. Definitely, urban development is the department in which Eknath Shinde had worked in the past as well. There would be PWD also. We are hearing that revenue department is something that Eknath Shinde would be eyeing on. Not only that, remember the Ladki Bahin scheme was brought under the regime of Eknath Shinde. So this department, this scheme is held by Women and Child Development. So this department is something that Eknath Shinde would be eyeing on. Not only that, if Ajit Pawar is concerned, Ajit Pawar may get finance department with the rest of the department that he had earlier had. And as far as the Home Department is concerned, there are chances that Eknath Shinde may bargain from Bharatiya Janata Party for the Home Department. But what we hear is that Bharatiya Janata Party may not give the home department to Eknath Shinde. So these are the talks that are going right now. But yes, the final announcement over the CM post, also the oath ceremony is to take place, and we are hearing that the Mahayuti wants to make a grand, event on the oath ceremony. Prime Minister Narendra Modi, Amit Shah, Union Minister would be attending that very ceremony. So a proper planning needs to be done, and for the same reason, this meeting was held. Definitely, very soon from now, we could hear about the official name of the Chief Minister, in fact, would be announced by Mahayuti, and an event would also take place for the ceremony soon in Mumbai.
Sandeep, as you also mentioned, that it's not only about the CM's face, but also the cabinet reject that's likely to happen. Well, the key ministries such as Revenue and PW, as we learn as well, who are likely to get, like which camp is likely to get these sort of key portfolios, so to speak?
See, as far as urban development, PWD or revenue is concerned, or women or child development is concerned, these are the departments, or these are the cabinet that Eknath Shinde would be in fact wanting in his side. But ultimately, it is yet to be decided. Remember, as far as the numbers are concerned, there are just 20 to 24 cabinet berths may go with Bharatiya Janata Party, as they are the largest, single largest party. And Eknath Shinde having 56 or 57 MLAs in Mahayuti, he may get around 10 to 12 cabinet berths. And as far as Ajit Pawar is concerned, he has to satisfy with 8 to 10 cabinet berth. So this could be the formula for a cabinet berth as of now. But yes, there are multiple such departments over which each and
Thank
every...
you, Sandeep, for those details coming in with the deadlock of the Maha CM likely to end and a cabinet reject expected also.